the polite showroom floors and the velvet ropes, this is the raw, unedited soul of North India's car culture. We are in Gurugram for Motorfest V2. It's more than just a gathering. It's an underground collision of machines, music, and pure, unfiltered passion. From the roar of massive engines to the precision of custom builds, this is the playground for those who live fast. But look closer. Beyond the chrome and carbon fiber, Motorfest is an ecosystem. It's where the next generation of Indian racers comes to find their spark. It's about bringing the auto society together, bridging the gap between a car fan and a competitor. And the bar for excellence? It's been set sky high. We caught up with Sanjay Takale, a man who just carved his name into history as the first Indian to win the Dakar 2026 Prologue in the cars category.
I think the Motorfest have done a fantastic job. This is the second year for them. I wish them a lot of good luck. They have done a fantastic job, and I think event like this should be encouraged all over India. That will bring the community together. We can exchange ideas, we can meet each other. So I think it's a very good initiative, and I congratulate the organizers for organizing this event.
From a Dakar veteran to the rising stars of the tarmac, Justin Singh, the youngest champion in saloon racing, is the face of this new era.
So in India, motorsport is not famous at all. No, not many people know about motorsport. And our aim through Motorfest is to gather the community together and raise awareness about motorsport in India through road cars as well, because I feel people relate to road cars more than they do to race cars, and kind of make them marry each other in the middle and introduce a new people to motorsport.
He knows exactly why events like these are the heartbeat of the industry. Motorfest V2 isn't just celebrating cars, it's celebrating the tuners, the crews, and the fans who refuse to stay in the slow lane. The culture is moving forward, and we're just getting started.